How to download the Grab app on your Android device. So first go ahead and open Play Store. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Tap on the bottom right corner on search. Then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Grab app. Then you'll see an app which is launched by Grab Holdings, which has more than 100 million plus downloads. So tap on the install button. Then after a few moments, Grab app will be installed on your phone and you can use it for taxi or food delivery, and it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.